The strapping cart with fork pockets is a reliable and versatile solution for all your strapping needs. Built with industrial duty in mind, this cart is perfect for use in manufacturing, shipping, and industrial facilities. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this strapping cart is incredibly strong and durable, able to withstand the harshest environments for a lifetime of use. The powder coat finish helps to protect the cart from scratches and corrosion, ensuring that it remains in top condition. One of the standout features of this cart is its fork pockets. These pockets allow for easy maneuverability using a lift or pallet truck, making it easy to position the cart precisely where it is needed. This feature is especially useful in busy environments where time is of the essence. With its sturdy construction, versatile maneuverability, and convenient storage options, the strapping cart with fork pockets is the perfect solution for all your strapping needs. Whether you need to secure packages for shipping or bundle materials in a production facility, this cart will ensure that the job is done efficiently and effectively. Invest in the strapping cart with fork pockets and experience the difference in quality and performance that it brings to your workplace. Check out all of our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in the field of material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.